Here are 13 meaningful hobbies that will replace endless scrolling and gently breathe life back into your days. Welcome back to Bloom Within, where we learn to grow from the inside out. Number 1, learn to use AI tools. If there is one beautiful way to empower yourself right now, it is learning how to navigate AI. Instead of seeing it as cold technology, view it as a tool that frees up your precious time. It can handle the heavy lifting, multiply your creativity, and solve problems that once felt overwhelming. Instead of losing hours scrolling through Reels, explore tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney. When you learn to use them, you give yourself the gift of time and endless creative possibilities. Number 2, strength training. Strength training isn't just about changing your body, it is about building deep, undeniable proof of your inner resilience. It is proof that you can show up for yourself even on the days you feel empty. It is proof that you can push through discomfort instead of running from it. Every time you lift, you remind your soul that true strength is earned and that you are capable of carrying heavy things, both physically and mentally. Number 3, reading biographies. Instead of navigating life's hardships completely alone, find mentors in the pages of history. Every biography is a profound journey through someone else's struggles, failures, and hard-earned wisdom. Their pain becomes your guidance. Their strategies become your blueprint. Success and healing leave clues. Read them and remind yourself that even the greatest minds have walked through the dark. Number 4, playing chess. Chess teaches you a quiet, beautiful truth. Every move in life has a consequence. A single impulsive reaction can undo hours of careful planning. The board rewards patience, punishes emotional reactions, and asks you to sit still with your thoughts. Play long enough and you will find yourself pausing before you react in real life, replacing anxiety with calm, strategic grace. Number 5, martial arts or combat sports. Whether it's boxing, wrestling, or jiu-jitsu, these practices do more than teach you how to defend yourself. They teach you how to find stillness inside a storm. You learn to handle intense pressure, regulate your breathing, and keep moving forward when every fiber of your being wants to give up. It is the ultimate practice in emotional control and resilience. Number 6, writing. Writing is a mirror for your mind. It untangles the messy, chaotic threads of your heart. What sounds brilliant or terrifying in your head often loses its weight when you put it on paper. The blank page doesn't judge you, it simply holds space for your truth. Writing forces you to be honest with yourself, sharpening your thoughts and healing your spirit. Number 7, exploring nature. Give yourself permission to step outside. Go hiking, walk through a quiet forest, watch the sunrise, or sit by a flowing river. Nature has a profound way of slowing down an anxious mind and putting your temporary problems into a beautiful, vast perspective. The more time you spend away from glowing screens, the more clearly you will see what actually matters in your heart. Number 8, teaching what you learn. One of the most generous things you can do with your knowledge is share it. The moment you try to explain a concept to someone else, you realize where your own understanding begins and ends. Teaching forces clarity, but more importantly, passing your light to someone else deepens your own connection to the world. Number 9, learning the art of negotiation. Life rarely just hands you what you deserve. It gives you what you are willing to ask for. Learning to negotiate isn't about arguing. It is about deeply believing in your own worth. Whether it's an opportunity, a boundary, or a salary, mastering this skill means you finally stop settling for less than you deserve. Number 10, public speaking. Finding your voice and communicating your truth is one of the most powerful ways to heal the fear of judgment. Public speaking helps you shed the weight of worrying about what others think. It builds a quiet confidence that transforms not only how the world sees you, but how you see yourself. Number 11, learning how to think clearly. In a world constantly screaming for your attention, most people just collect noise. Very few learn how to truly think. Cultivating clear, independent thought helps you protect your peace, make choices aligned with your soul, and filter out bad advice. Your mind is your most sacred space. Guard it with clear thinking. Number 12, video editing. Video editing is the modern art of storytelling. It is an incredibly valuable skill that allows you to take raw, messy pieces of life and weave them into a narrative that moves people. Instead of passively consuming what others create, spend your time learning how to shape attention and share beautiful stories with the world. Number 13, building something of your own online. Whether it's a page, a personal brand, or a YouTube channel, plant your own digital garden. While others spend hours mindlessly scrolling, you can build a space that reflects your passions and even creates freedom for your future. If you are only ever consuming, you are starving your own potential to create. You don't need to overwhelm yourself by starting all of these today. Be gentle with yourself. Just pick 2 or 3 and truly commit to them. Tell us in the comments which hobbies you are choosing to start your journey. Remember, your life won't bloom just from watching. It blossoms when you start doing. Subscribe to join our community and keep blooming within.